Hello there and welcome to my channel. So just like I said in my previous video on how you can verify your phone number on your Pi account or your PI network account, in this video I'm showing you guys how you can verify your email address as well. So it's very simple and easy. So on here, I'm on my profile here, so I'm going to show you guys how you can do this. So now you scroll down here to your email side, you can see email address. I've not verified it. I've already added an email to this account, but I've not done any sort of verification. Let me do this. So now I tap on the verify here, and you can see there's the mail I used to create it. So I tap on the verify here. Good. So they are going to send me a mail. So what are they saying here? I just need to click on the link to verify my account or to verify my email address on this Pi network or PI network account. It's very much simple and easy. So I just have to wait. I have a couple emails I don't want to show in this video, but then you're going to get a pop-up in your mails, and then you just click on the link and then you hop back to your account and your account will be verified. It's very much simple when it comes to verifying your account with email. So that's it on how you can verify your email address on your Pi or your PI network account. So in my next video, I'm going to talk about how you can do your document verification. So my previous video was about mobile phones, mobile phone number. This video is about email verification, and then my next one will be document verification. If you are new here, try to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.